Vitamin D, patient information for adults. What is vitamin D and why do we need it? In humans, the main source of vitamin D is the sun. Following exposure to sunlight on the skin, chemical reactions take place in your body which lead to the production of vitamin D, a fat-soluble vitamin needed for healthy bones, muscles and nerves. Who is at risk of not getting enough vitamin D? People at risk of not getting enough vitamin D include pregnant and breastfeeding women, the elderly, those who cover themselves when outside, people who have darker skin, obese and overweight people, and people who are immobile or housebound. What happens when our vitamin D levels are low? A lack of vitamin D can lead to low moods and feeling more tired than usual. It can also lead to your bones and muscles becoming weaker, resulting in an increased risk of fractures. Severe cases of vitamin D deficiency can lead to a condition which causes bones to thin and become more brittle. How can you improve your vitamin D levels? The best way of getting more vitamin D is to spend time in the sun. Try to spend 20 to 30 minutes outside with bare arms and legs 2 to 3 times a week. You can also try to eat more vitamin D rich food. These include oily fish, mushrooms, fortified cereals, red meat and egg yolks. In the UK, it is also recommended that you take over-the-counter vitamin D supplements between October and March. Thank you for watching.